Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
Look, this is not a political issue. I don't know why people are bringing NEDA and other things. This is a boundary dispute between the two states. This is not a political issue. We are not counting votes at this moment. This is not a political issue. This is a long-standing border dispute. When both the side Congress government was there, that point of time also that this dispute was there. When Mr. Tarun Gogoi was in Assam and Mr. Lalthanhala was in Mizoram, that point of time also that dispute was going on, enforcement was there. So these are dispute basically between two states. It is not between two political parties. Shillongot also we have discussed. Home Minister Amit Shah has said that when India entered 75th years of independence, there should not be any dispute. I have told in the meeting that Assam is ready to give anything for peace in the northeast. We do not want land, but only thing that it is a reserve forest. Wherever we have dispute, in between that there is a reserve forest. So can reserve forest be utilized for settlement? The moot question which rest of the India should know, that wherever we have dispute, that dispute is not regarding land. This dispute is regarding forest. Assam wants to protect the forest. So Assam is not organizing any settlement. Assam is not doing any settlement in the forest area. So our problem is even a neutral people also take care of the forest. Suppose tomorrow central government says that look, there is no question of Assam, there is no question of Mizoram. The forest department of government of India will take care of forest. We are fine because for Assam, we do not want any settlement inside forest. So I told in the Shillong meeting that these are the forests. So Assam is doing a responsibility for mankind by protecting our forest. So now from Assam side there is no construction. The question is in reserve forest, how can one do construction? And that to fresh construction.
The economic blockade would...
No, why will do economic blockade? Rather, I have ordered security for the people of Mizoram, whoever they are in Assam. Assam doesn't believe in this economic blockade on all. Assam doesn't believe in taking revenge. Only thing that whatever may be the provocation will be there. Will not give our land. But beyond that, we have no fight with Mizo people. Why we should have fight? So many students are studying in Assam college. So that is, we have no day. This is not a fight between Assamese Mizo, Bengali Mizo, Muslim Mizo, Hindu Mizo. This is not that fight. This is a fight for protecting our forest. This is whole about inner line forest. You remember that last time also 2 LP school was bombed. So question is that how can you utilize arms, ammunition, bomb to settle dispute between two states? It is not China-India boundary. This is after all boundary of India. So how can you do all these things? Sometimes our police go, we push them. Sometimes they come, they push. Then again both are IPS officer. They sit, they have a cup of tea, matter resolve. So I do not believe that we have anything to do against Mizoram. We are not for kind of economic blockade and all these things. Only thing that we may die, we will fight, but we are not going to encroach an inch of land from Mizoram.